morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I got an email from Peta Company this morning.
Okay.
They are requesting for 980 cartons of Robinson oil.
Oh, good. You can go ahead and supply. Or do you have any challenge?
Yes, we need more raw materials to meet up with their demands.
Okay. Okay, I will put a call across to the storekeeper, okay?
All right.
You can go and see her.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
I was thinking it's like... So it's true? Eh? It's true, Raphael. How dare you? Raphael, you broke the padlock that I used in locking this gate. Are you mad?
And I was taking it to be a joke and listen real good. Next time you try that, I swear, a young girl.
And let me make it clear to you. This company must be locked until that will is read.
Get out of this premises.
It is not a threat. I promise you. If I come back here again, I swear with my life, I will burn down this company. Raphael, I will burn down this company.
Get out.
Damn me. Chalu, let me come back here again. You got mom now.
My own love. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fit to cheat me. Give me my own love. My own love. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me.
Thank God. I thought you were going to run again.
Me too, I'm very tired.
So all those things you were saying yesterday, you are just making mouths.
Before, Uncle.
Huh?
What do you think she can do? Don't underrate me. I can still deal with that guy.
And you run that fast?
I beg.
Sorry. You really need water.
Wait. This one he came to work with his father's car. But how come?
That's his business. Now we they ask that question. How will they take no? I beg, we don't know, I beg. Hey. This guy will kill somebody one day, I beg.
I can't remember employing policemen as security. What? Have you lost it? Do you know who I am?
I know who you are. You're Mr. Desmond. And we've been asked not to let you into this premises anymore.
Really?
Exactly what you just said.
You know, say, normally, na me be that guy where they give Wahala lift.
Go back! Go back! I do not care what you represent, but I have an authority not to allow you into these premises. Now, vacate this place at once.
I like people like you. You see baby police like you, I like them. Eh? No wonder they don't give you gun. Even toy gun, they don't give you. You say normally, now your type are the like, eh?
How dare you? Stop it! Exactly. Now, we are mandated to kill you if you do anything stupid. It is wise you leave this place at once.
Mom, this is the last time I will ever come to report this matter to you. The next time it happens, you will hear bad news.
What is that?
I was told by the police that I'm restricted from entering my father's company. Can you imagine? Restricting me from entering my father's company.
Desmond, can we just sit?
I'm not here to dialogue any word with you. Call Raphael, because I will not look at him as a brother anymore. Now me they give Wahala lift too. Now me they give Wahala lift. If he doesn't want my problem, just call him.
Brother Desmond.
Can you shut up? As I said earlier, call Raphael. Because from the look of things, you are about to bury husband and son.
God forbid.
Okay, if you don't want God to forbid it, then you do the needful.
I reject it in Jesus' name. Call Raphael. Okay. Call him and give me the phone.
Anyhow you want them now my own.
Deborah, I cannot remember inviting you to my house. So what exactly are you doing here?
Janet, come on. Even though our husbands are quarreling, we the wives can still make amends.
Amend what? What is there to amend? You think I don't know you? I know you more than you know yourself. Deborah, you are evil.
Hey.
You're nothing but a green snake under the green grass. A chameleon, that's what you are.
Janet, I'm not a chameleon. The earlier you realize that, the better for both of us.
Both of what? You are who is doing both of us. I don't have that time, do you understand? I don't have your time. Please! You see my husband and I and my child, we are perfectly fine. So take your miserable body out of my house right now.
Janet,
Ona?
stop. Let us not scatter this family, okay? Let's make peace, okay?
What did I just hear you say? Scatter the family. The family has already scattered. Courtesy of you and your stupid husband.
Janet.
You think I don't know? His plan is to take all his father's property. Now he's no more. But I tell you something today, it will not work.
Janet.
Not while I'm still alive.
Janet.
And I'm even now why. Now Zuzulu Seba.
Oh, please stop. Just come.
Just get out of my house.
Janet.
Deborah, leave. Get out.
Janet, just calm down, please. Oh, Desmond.
Oh, very good.
Desmond.
What are you doing here?
I came to see your wife.
Uninvited, oh. Uninvited.
Janet.
What for?
To know how to settle the case between you and your elder brother. Yes.
If not for one thing, if I slap you, you will change color. If I see you anywhere close to this house, I swear with my life, I will kill you.
Desmond.
Get out.
Hey, you heard my husband. Desmond, get out! Desmond, get out! Get out! Oh my God! Oh my God! Laugh on, my baby, laugh on.
Let me see you here again.
I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own. Don't tell me to take it easy as I dare nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, my own. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own. Don't tell me to take it easy as I dare nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, my own.
My school was fine.
How are you? Fine. I came to pick him, okay? I'll just go with the keke.
No. Let me drop you guys off, okay?
Oh, really?
Yes, I go. It's nothing.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
All right. You can go, my dear. Keep the change.
Flourish. Go to your room, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
I'll join you.
Daddy, bye.
Bye, baby girl. It's okay. Please, it's okay. Forget about Desmond and his family, okay?
Janet, I only wanted peace in this family. I'm even more comfortable than her. So I wonder why she's the one bragging. I should be the one doing all this.
It's okay, honey. Obiabo. Bitterness of the heart. The big question is, what has Flourish got to do with this? Absolutely nothing.
See, honey, I'm not going to spare her anymore. Honey, I'm the first wife in this family. I'm even older than her. I'm not going to let this go anymore. I cannot.
It's okay. It is called frustration. They are frustrated. Just calm down, okay?
How could you be this heartless? How could you be this wicked? How could you be this heartless? Have I not been the one dropping your son in your house all this while? Have I not been the one?
Why are you screaming like an untamed dog? What's your problem? Eh? Wait, is this the reason you called me out here?
Is it not enough reason for me to call you out here? Why will you leave my daughter alone in that lonely place?
It is not enough reason. I'm not your maid. Why won't I leave your daughter? And let me warn you. Let today be the very last day you call me out to say this rubbish. If you try it.
Come back here, I'm not done with you. Are you mad?
You mad? What's the mean? What is wrong? Are you out of your mind?
Stupid.
Why are you fighting my wife?
How? I'm not fighting your wife. I'm beating your wife. Are you beating me?
Don't
try it. Don't try it.
Stop.
You are lucky.
Mommy! Deborah, shut up.
This idiot tried me. And I gave her the slap of her life.
Hey, Deborah! Will you stop?
Allow me.
Stop! Deborah!
Deal with me, Daddy.
It's okay. It's okay. Janet, if you try this again in this house, I swear, if I think evil about you, you will regret it. You will regret it, Janet.
You will think evil about you.
No.
You will think...
Stop.
I heard something. You would think evil about you.
Will you just get lost?
Stop. Please.
If I'm talking, you keep quiet.
Stop. You push it. Stop this nonsense.
It's okay.
No, Mom, Chalugo, what did you say now? Think evil of my wife.
We don't get lost.
Chalugo,
We don't get lost. We don't get lost.
However you want to.
We don't get lost.
Hey, okay. Well, before I tell us the reason for this meeting, I want to correct an impression. Janet, Deborah, I want to consider what just happened as a mistake. If it happens again in my presence, I will let both of you know that your madness is not even half of mine.
Mom, we are very sorry. I promise it won't happen again.
It's not we now. It's not we. Which one is we? Speak for yourself, not we.
Shut up.
No, now, Momsy, but that's what it's supposed to be now. Stop telling me to shut up. You were here when my wife said it was Deborah that pushed her first.
Yes.
But you expected her to keep quiet.
I said shut up! One more word from you again. I will remind you that I brought you to this world. What is wrong with you?
Ma, we are sorry.
Obidokwozo, what is she saying? Were you deaf when my husband said that you people should not involve us? Stay in your space! I said we are shy.
Shut up.
Swallow it, just swallow it.
Well, back to why I call this meeting. We are going to choose a date for your father's burial here and now. And after that, Raphael, you and Desmond will take the information to your kinsmen. Understood?
Yes, Mom.
Wait, has the meeting ended? So we are not talking about the will?
What will?
No, it's Will Smith now. You're asking me what will? Mumsy, if that will is not read, no burial.
At all.
No burial now, but normally that's what it's supposed to be now. That's what it's supposed to be. Now maybe the person where they give Wahala lift. When Wahala cheese now, Wahala been a buy. Never for you, Wahala been a one, I been a two now. If there's no will, no burial. Like I can't tire people. Pick up on your mom. Will.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mom, it's okay. I will take care of everything. It's okay.
This is total madness.
Honestly, total madness. So what are we going to do now?
You are asking me what we are going to do. If Robinson is not buried, does that take anything away from you?
But you heard him when he said we shouldn't hold any other meeting with any member of his family.
What will he do? No, let me ask. What is that boy going to do? Oh, because he took us on our ways this time. If he tried that another day, see what I will do to him.
Then we need to do something fast. Because that boy may kill somebody.
He is not going to kill anybody. He won't kill anybody. He will end up killing himself.
Okay, if you say so.
Rubbish. What is all this? Okay,
alright, if you say so. We'll talk on it again.
I will get back to you.
Raphael. Morgan.
Mom.
What is it?
Desmond fought me in the village.
What?
Did he travel with you?
No, he didn't. He just drove me while I was having a meeting with the elders and he put a stop to the meeting.
I hope he did not touch anyone.
Mom, did you just ask that question? He was beating and kicking everybody like a football.
Hey. Even now, Matthias.
Oh, he threw him to the ground.
Hey! Jesus.
Mother, what is wrong with Desmond?
I don't know.
Mom.
Hey!
Mom, I came to tell you that Desmond has beaten more than he can chew.
I agree with you.
Henceforth, I will no longer regard him as my brother.
Well, my son, whichever way you want to handle this issue, go ahead. I am solidly behind you. How can you do?
Mom, I I disagree with you.
Now again,
Brother Raphael, there are many ways you can handle this issue amicably without fighting and hurting each other.
Oh, no, not as you think. I'll find a way to handle this issue.
Please, you're not the head of this family. Handle every issue of this family with wisdom.
Wisdom, what is that? Someone who caused his father's death and he's not even remorseful about it. Wisdom. What kind of useless wisdom is that one? Follow it your way, Mom.
Okay, Mom. Just like I told her, I will handle it with wisdom.
Hi.
Meanwhile, I should be on my way home. I just come to tell you that the meeting did not hold as scheduled.
I thank God no one
I'll see you, Mom.
Thank you. Thank God nobody was hurt.
Raphael is doing too much.
Raphael or Desmond, which one?
Desmond.
Ah. Hi.
So how did it go, babe?
That's what it's supposed to be now. Normally, I dealt with them.
I trust you. What about that foolish brother of yours?
You want to know? Because I gave all of them the beating of their lives. I sent everyone, including the elders, all of them, out.
Very good. Very good. So what's the 411 now? So
It's still the same thing. If the will is not read, there's no burial. There won't be burial if the will is not read. And that's exactly what I told them.
that is my husband speaking. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you, honey.
You're supposed to believe me.
I know. See, baby, we can't just be like that and allow these people to take what rightfully belongs to.
But normally now, that's what it's supposed to be now. Now we they give Wala lift now. I give them lift. So that's how it should be.
That's how it should be, baby. So
What did you cook though? I'm hungry. It took me a whole lot of strength to send those people packing.
Whatever you want, I'll give you.
Like what and what?
Oh, I know what you want.
I think there is trouble.
Honestly, I've thought of that. I wonder why the DMD has not been coming to work for like 2 days now.
Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong.
Actually sensing some certain things. Let it don't be that they are quarreling at home.
What else do you think? I solidly believe that they are having it hot at home.
Well, guys, my question is, does it really mean that this guy is above everybody, including you, Johnson?
Don't mind them. Men for mouth.
No, now, what are you talking about? That we should be the MD's son.
Yes. Now, beat him, so that he will know that we are not his slaves.
Yes.
And besides, we are not working for him. So beat him.
Nkechi, Ujunwa, I'm so sure that you both have not forgotten about the saying, what men can do, a woman can do it better.
I beg it. Gossip. They could not shy away from truth.
What truth are you talking about, for Christ's sake, Nkechi? Beating the MD's son is totally out of faith. It's not in line. I have my laid out plan of which I've told Godson about it. I have an angel that is searching for somewhere for me, of which if I secure an apartment now, certainly beating him will happen. So it's not just part of the plans now.
See, let me tell you, my fellow girls cannot do that to me, even if she's the president's daughter.
Nobody will try that thing with me. You guys should know. By now, I can't okay.
Listen up. Now, listen up. You know, since we have been dabbling over this issue, it seems this issue of beating the MD son, it seems we are joking or we are not. We are serious or we are not serious. You know, the main reason why we are just being silent or why you see we are running away from this guy is not because, it's because the father has already ordered us not to fight him. If not, if he messed up in the office, that is the point. When you know that back up, I am being called the line. The beast in me now.
It is obvious you now know the utmost truth why we've not done anything about beating him. You know now. I don't even know what to say again. There's no need talking to you guys because you will definitely not understand. But as soon as I secure an apartment, it will surely happen.
I beg, take am easy.
Sorry.
I stay with the other hand.
They enter office now, they no go talk.
Don't mind them.
The house, vibrators.
We'll tie him up. We'll tie him up. I don't blame you.
Yes.
Hi, who's that? What is it? Hi. Hi, Clara.
How are you doing?
I'm great, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is your husband in?
No, he's not. He's gone out, but he will soon be back.
Okay. When he comes back, tell him I was here and I would like to see him.
Like you're leaving immediately, you won't sit down?
No, I'm fine. I have somewhere to go to. Please, tell him it's very urgent.
It's alright, if you say so. I would tell him when he returns.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright, you have a nice day, you too. Your cousin visited us today.
Which of my cousins?
Marissa Clara.
What for?
I wouldn't know. She said it was very urgent and she needed to see you.
She's very mad.
Do you know the reason she came?
Maybe her father must have told her the outcome of the meeting.
I was wondering why she was behaving so strange. That's her business. Do you want to see her again?
She's lucky I didn't meet her. She had the guts to come to this house.
Why don't you see her? Or you don't want to see her again?
Are you out of your mind? What kind of stupid talk is that one?
Junior, come on, have a drink. Come have a drink. It's for you. Hold it. It's for you. You okay? You sure?
Yeah.
Did your brother hurt you again?
No.
So what happened?
I couldn't understand what you were telling me, but now I know everything you told me is true.
I saw my father.
Jesus. Where?
Right
his office, he sat where he used to sit, busy writing as if he was alive.
Honey, how did it happen?
I went into his office to check for something.
Okay.
I saw him sitting where he used to sit when he was alive. Immediately he saw me, he disappeared.
Oh my God. It's okay. Just sit down, okay? Sit, please. I understand how you feel. May his soul rest in peace.
Amen. But obviously, his soul has not found rest. He needs to be buried.
Exactly. Should I get you something to drink? Do you want to eat like food? Anything?
Not in the mood.
It's okay. Can I take this?
Desmond, I was at your place. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, you told me. So why did you come?
My father told me you pushed him down. So I came to confirm before taking any legal action.
Okay, that's why he came.
Yes.
You were lucky I didn't meet you there. You're a lawyer, right? And I believe you know the law. Tell your father to stay away from my family. He's the eldest in the family, yet he cannot say the truth. Tell him to mind his business. The next time I come back home because of them, Mage, now your legal action, you will know yourself.
Is that it? Desmond, is that it? We shall see.
I said get out.
You will hear from me.
Don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fitted you to me. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh.
I won't take it lightly with him if he tries anything funny with my father again. I am sounding this as my last warning to him. Tell him to leave my father alone.
Nembiko, I am sorry for what happened. I'm so sorry. I've already spoken to your father. I promise it will never happen again.
Mother, it will. I met him on my way here and guess what he told me? That if he goes to the village again because of the elders, I won't like what he would do to them.
What? He said that?
To my face. Listen, we are same blood. And I do not want anything that will bring separation in our respective families.
My daughter, thank you for your understanding. Thank you. Your father said he is very strong. Thank God. Oh?
Mom, I have to take my leave now.
Uban, just hold on. Let us offer you something. Ne, go and bring something.
No, don't bother. I was on my way to a meeting before I met him. So I will eat next time.
Barrister Clara. Beautiful in this outfit.
Oh, thank you, sis. By the way, how is school?
But thank God, it's fine.
Be good. Be good. All right, mother. I will let you know if anything happens.
Thank you, my daughter.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
My husband, what is going on with you? My goodness. They are planning the burial without your notice? Huh?
I saw that at my friend's place. That's crazy.
Hey, what's the meaning of this? And your name is not written here, my love. Your name is not here.
If on that board were Benisi.
Honey, you're not saying anything reasonable.
What do you want me to say, my love? They said they will not read the will until they bury him. So I just want to let them bury him so the will can be read.
That will never happen. I will not take that, honey. I will not. Because once this man is buried, you will not have right over that will again. It will not happen. No, I totally disagree. Look at it. They already printed a card without your name on it. What does that tell you?
That's how they disrespect me, not adding my name.
At all.
Oh. What's up, bro? I'm good.
Barrister, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Barrister.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, what do you have to say?
Mr. Desmond, calm down. Just like I told you on phone, if this man is not buried, and if you continue to fight, you will lose. Let them bury him and the will be read.
No, I disagree with you, Barrister. I totally disagree with you on this one.
Why?
Once this burial is done, my husband will not have rights over this will again. And I will not sit back and watch it happen.
Don't worry. I am a legal practitioner. Barrister Anthony Ikemefuna. I know what is right at the wrong time and what is wrong at the right time. Allow them to bury him and see me, Barrister Anthony, at work.
Something has to be done because I will not sit back and watch my husband lose. It's not possible.
That was the same thing I told him. Some no Barrister Anthony that he's at work. Some Barrister Anto I got funny kiss you know?
Let the work come out fine.
Exactly. Anthony.
I'm tired. I'm tired of that job. Desmond will kill somebody one day in that place. I'm tired.
Me, I'm tired though. I am tired too. You don't tell me tired. I tire past all of them. No be say na you employ us. If na you can't employ us, nko.
We are not even working for him. We are working for his father.
And he's not even acting like someone that went to school.
Why do you talk like this?
How sure are you that he went to school? My sister, what would you have me say?
Well, okay. If not for one thing, I know what to do. Nkechi, I know what to do. I can handle him. I know what to do.
But now you define since now. Now here on day, I'm certain you girls are all here again as usual. Your owner too be. I'm tired though. I'm tired.
Tired?
I'm tired.
You yourself, you not tired?
Your own, you, Nkechi. Your own be. Hey, your face. I know what to do. I know what to do. And you have not done anything. I better come Indomie, they hungry me, hunger won't finish me today.
Me just finish.
Now why you?
Why are you taking her now?
No.
Sure?
Ataya. This one be Indomie again.
That jealousy. What do you enter 2021? I see you before I meet her. I know say you dey eye me since, but no worry. My heart don't follow who I want.
I'm coming, please. You give me later.
I'm tired.
I don't see the happen for this compound.
Hey. Now wow. I never know say manje don't marry.
This is tired. What do you be want to do?
You don't trust me.
What do you want to do?
I know what to do now.
Chibike,
Auntie?
you're not done yet?
I'm true.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
I'm coming.
Let's go.
Papa, are you going?
Go and prepare and meet us there.
I'll meet you people there. I'm coming.
I brought you home because I do not want anything to happen to you. Alright? Chibike.
Auntie.
Make sure nobody leaves the house.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Where are you going to now?
Papa, I have to go back there. You heard when I called Raphael and he said he's on his way back home from the police station. Chibike.
Yes, Auntie.
Do not open the door for anybody unless you know who the person is. Do you understand?
Yes, Auntie.
Papa, I'll be back.
It's okay. Robinson, what kind of temptation is this? Whoever says you will not be buried will first of all be buried. That person will never see peace. Then you will see the cops, period.
Then you will have to give me today. You give.
Mama, I don't like like what you're doing. Why are you going to go to the You feel that you don't want us here. Leave my husband and let me go back to the city.
No more. Leave me alone now.
Kill me.
Say go on away. Like go away for the cops now.
Desmond. Come my husband. Do not injure her. I'm warning you.
I will give you what is called chameleon.
You cannot do anything.
That's it. Not get anything. I need change it.
You cannot do anything.
Purple grey.
You cannot do.
Hey, stop that! Officer, chase the kidnapper.
Police, Raphael!
We are from police headquarters. Mr. Man, I'm afraid you're under arrest.
What has he done?
Raphael,
Very good.
you called police for me.
Hey.
Not until you release our father's corpse. This time around, not even the Attorney General of the Federation will set you free.
Are you seeing intimidation of the highest order in affair?
Mr. Man.
Move! He's going!
No, push me like
My husband is not going anywhere.
No, push me like
Honey,
move. Raphael, you're playing with me.
Move!
Bad man!
Out!